I'm just very frustrated. My boys just turned 19, and we have barely gotten child support from Mr. Gamosher for 19 years. And he's been in and out of jail, in and out of court, promises after promise.
I'll pay whatever it takes.
This is date and time set for a friend of the court show cause hearing with regard to child support. I'll go around the Zoom boxes as you appear to me. I'll state your name. Please state your names for the record. Mr. Kane.
Your Honor, Stephen Kane on behalf of Defendant Michael David Gamosher in this matter.
Mr. Gamosher.
Michael David Gamosher.
And Ms. Kirsch.
Yes, I'm here.
State your name, please.
Susan Kirsch.
This is the matter of Susan Kirsch versus Michael Gamosher, docket number 2005-003-528DS. We're here today as Mr. Gamosher had failed to appear for a hearing scheduled for June 21st, 2023. That hearing was established in order to determine a monthly amount for him to pay moving forward because the minor children had emancipated in May of this year. He was previously found in contempt in February of this year and placed on a payment plan. He was arrested on August 20th, 2023 on that warrant and appeared before the judge, at which time he requested court-appointed counsel, and the hearing was adjourned to today's date and time. This is an arrears only case. As of June 2023, his balance currently owed is $41,074.34, of which $28,851.84 is owed in child support to Miss Kirsch. Medical, birth, and delivery owed to the state of Michigan is currently $10,863, and then there are fees and costs. Payments on the account in the past year, there was one payment made in April of this year. It was a reduced bond of $400. At this time, Your Honor, Mr. Gamosher still is in jail, and we need to address his continuance for that or moving forward.
Okay, Mr. Kane, anything you'd like to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. So I agree with Ms. Mullen. Getting Mr. Gamosher out of jail is the first best step to rectifying the situation here. The court's point is underscored. He's got over 20 days of jail time on this. He understands the importance of this, and he's been reminded of the fact that lingering too long as fees accrue, he runs the risk of felony charges rather than just friend of the court contempt charges on a go-forward basis if he doesn't get this squared up. He's indicated to me that this is a busy season for what he has a skill set for. He can drive a forklift and do landscaping. It's apple season coming upon us and cleanup season. His belief is that if he's released from jail, he'll have work within a week, and estimates at a minimum he could start making payments of no less than $500 per month, with the first coming before the end of this month.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Kirsch, anything you'd like to add or say?
I'm just very frustrated. My boys just turned 19, and we have barely gotten child support from Mr. Gamosher for 19 years. And he's been in and out of jail, in and out of court, promises after promise. And in the meantime, I've worked 2 jobs my whole life to support them with no help from him. And I just wish that we could get to the bottom of it, which is, if I can say, Mike, he is a severe alcoholic, and he lives with his mother, who is also an alcoholic, and he needs help. I don't think if you guys keep putting him in jail and releasing him, he goes right back and lives with her, and they drink all day, every day. I've been told by people that have employed him that he can only stay on the job 1 day because he gets sick and throws up and faints. And I'm just hoping that we can get him some help so he can actually get a job and keep it at this point.
Thank you. Mr. Gamosher, where are you going to work if I release you today? I mean, what difference does it make to me if you sit in jail if you're not going to pay? You see what I'm saying?
Oh, I'm going to pay. I'm going to work. This is not the place for him. I mean, I need to move on, you know.
Where are you going to work?
I can't do that here. There's a packing plant in Elk Rapids that I can check into, or some landscapers, you know, fall cleanups here. I mean, I need to do something. I mean,
yeah, I agree. Are you only in jail on a front of the court warrant?
yes.
That's my understanding. The only thing holding him there, Your Honor, is the warrant. He doesn't have any additional charges that I'm aware of.
Sure. I was just wondering if he's going to be monitored any other way. Thank you. So,
Not that I'm aware of.
all right, here's what I'll do. I'll release you from jail today. But I want, I'm gonna set your payment at $500 a month.
Okay,
I want $500 paid within the first 30 days. If you fail to comply with that, you will serve 45 days in jail without any request. That is part of your contempt finding of today. You're
okay,
in contempt of court because you're not paying, and you're already in contempt because you're on a payment plan not paying.
I
So
understand.
if you fail to pay $500 within 30 days, you will serve a full term of 45 days in jail. Do you understand that?
I do understand.
We're not gonna have court and have you come in and say, well, I'm gonna work, or I'm gonna do this, or something like
Right.
that. It will be, this is a sentence that's held in abeyance. Do you understand what that means?
I do understand.
All right. And then $500 per month after that. I'm not gonna continue the 45 days in jail. That's the first, just the first thing trying to get you started.
Correct, yes.
If you violate this, a bench warrant could be issued and we'll have to address it accordingly. But I'm telling you right now, if we don't have $500 within the first 30 days, you've already got 45 full days in jail. Because like I said, it doesn't make any difference. It doesn't necessarily make a difference to me. If you're not paying and not working, you can sit in jail because it's the same effect on your child support order. Do you understand that?
Right.
Because 41,000 owed is completely ridiculous.
Right.
So, any questions for me, sir?
No.
All right. Thank you all.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Your Honor. Good luck, Mike.
Thank you.